Happy New Year, guys. How are you all doing? How's everybody doing? I want to wish you all this year is a day of this year is going to be a year of profit, guys. We are going to make it this year. We're going to make. I'm not talking about $1,000. I'm not talking about 5,000. I'm not talking about six. We're talking hundreds, bro. We're going to make a whole lot. And if you're with me, if you've been with me throughout 2024, you've been joining my analysis and live session, you know that we are really in it for the money. Okay, we're in it for the money, guys. And today I'm making another video. The last video I made was concerning Santa Claus rally and how the market was gonna play out. I did some videos on cryptos. I told you how Bitcoin was gonna move, and if you jump right into the chart, you'll see that it was accurate. Alright, I won't guarantee 100% accuracy, but I will let you know that hey, this is what is going to happen, and that's why you should be watching my YouTube channel. I mean, if you're not watching my YouTube channel, you're missing a lot. All right, let's jump right into it. Today, we're talking a little. I'll be talking more on. I'll be analyzing more on forex pairs and a little bit of the cryptocurrency because I still have some cryptocurrencies that we should be looking at. Okay, I'm talking Veracity, I'm talking SUI, I'm talking Dogecoin, and maybe I'll just throw in a little one at the end. All right. But first of all, let's look at the forex industry. What has been happening? All right, let's jump right into DXY. So, as you can see here, uh, I have been telling you guys that DXY was gonna do well. Okay, I told you guys that if Trump comes in and the economy takes it, takes it very well, maybe the market is good or wherever he is saying goes as planned, DXY is going to be strong. Okay, and now Trump is not yet on seat, but we're seeing the DXY strong. But what is causing the spike today? What is causing the spike today? And if we go to our calendar, let's go to the first calendar. You can see here. I already take it out because I don't want to waste so much time. We can see unemployment claims, and you can see that unemployment claims actually did well. That's one of the reasons why the dollar is looking good today. And if there are jobs that are being claimed, it means that the economy should be doing well, right? And if we look at this, I did say anything that makes DXY breaks above this strong resistance level, right? Let me go to the 1 week. Anything that makes DXY go above that strong resistance level, where are we heading? We're heading to one. Let's be real. Let's start with real analysis here. We're first gonna touch over here, 111, and then later on we're gonna come over here, 115. So we're looking at a very bullish market for the DXY. We are looking for a very bullish market for DXY, but we have gotten to, should I say, the half of this candle. If we pull up the Fibonacci, all right, if we pull up the Fibonacci on this, we will see that we are probably half of it, right? Let me drag this all the way here. Okay, and so there's still a big chance that we might retrace, but I'm hoping that this daily candle pops up over it and probably rest it. All right, probably rest it around that area over there, around that area. So what does this do? What's gonna happen to the forex industry? What should we expect? We'll look at Euro USD. We'll look at GBP USD. We're gonna look at gold and see how much this is gonna play. And I'm hoping that Trump's time in as a president will be good for the economy because it just has to be good. All right, investors are looking forward to it. The big players are looking forward to it. Many people who did not support Trump, all right, they are jumping on this trend. Okay, they are jumping on this trend. So even they want to benefit from it. Even they themselves want to benefit from it. So tell me why you'll be saying no, it's not gonna be good. All right, it's not gonna be good. All right, so let me cancel this shit. So looking at that, let's look at Euro USD. Hold up, EUR. Oh, let me cancel this shit. Escape. Yeah. All right, let's look at Euro USD. All right, I don't want to make another review. All right, so what does this mean? Does this mean that Euro USD? You can see it looks like Euro USD is tanking. Yash, yeesh, man. I mean, we were all the way down, right? We were coming down, Euro USD. Let's look at here over here. Can we go for a here? Let's see. Oh man, we can go for a here. Let's look at 1 month. Yeah, let's look at 1 month. Let's use 1 month for this. All right, look at this. Since 2021, we've been dropping down, and 2022, right? By 2023, we started going up, and 2024 we've been staggering, like we've been ranging throughout 2024. We had a very good pop-up of 2024, right? We had that good, we can't deny it, it's there, right? But it doesn't look like Euro USD is actually looking to go up, right? But if we look at this closely, we'll see that there is a gap around here, right? There's a gap here, and that monthly gap, hold up, let me just smack this shit here. All right. So now, if you look at it, now that this picture is all drawn up, you're like, oh, wait a minute. There's still a chance that Euro USD is still gonna tank. So there's still a chance that, oh, maybe DXY is gonna drop soon. But again, it looks very bearish from me from here, and I think that we might still see more red to come for Euro USD. At least probably it's gonna get to like, let me drop down to the weekly time frame. 1 week. At least we might see Euro USD dropping down, probably um to this level over here. Hold up. Yep. We might see Euro USD dropping over here, and we have the NFP coming up. And hold up, where is that? Where is that cancel? So we have the NFP coming up next week Friday. That's on the 10th. The NFP is coming up. So, and this will really tell us how this month will play out. So if the NFP comes out good for USD, that means that, as I said earlier, we'll see the DXY going to about 111 and probably 113, and then we might see Euro USD tanking down below. All right, many people. And another one I wanted to check was gold. I really wanted to check gold before we move into cryptocurrencies. Yes, yeah, hold up. We'll move into cryptocurrencies, and then I'll make another video for stock. So how is gold taking this? Gold is still staggering. Everybody is shouting, "Oh, gold to 5,000." Is it possible? Yes, I know it's possible that we might see gold going to 5,000. I know, yes, that is possible, but we all have to be patient. I did tell you all of this drop over here, and then we're gonna come back to 2.7. But I haven't really seen any move on gold. Even look at this; it's just staggering. And I do believe, I don't want to put this out there, okay, but I do believe that maybe if there is some kind of economic disaster, like maybe a war or something like that, maybe that's what is going to make gold skyrocket. But if that doesn't happen, I don't see gold going to 3K. I mean, you can buy gold and hold for as long as you can, but I don't still see gold going to 3K yet. I don't see any economic event happening. Although, yes, people are do presuming a new strike, and you know what I mean by strike. I don't mean government strike. I really mean strike, like missile, pam, pam, and things like that would actually make gold to move up. But people are now sure about the U.S. economy. People are now sure about DXY, and people are now sure about cryptocurrency. So tell me why gold would move up. Tell me why gold should even go close to 900. I don't see any reason why that's possible, because people are now sure about these two sectors, the DXY and Bitcoin. So that's why gold is staggering. The reason why gold was going up so much was because, one, people were not sure about the DXY, people were leaving the dollar and dropping into gold, investors, and also people were leaving Bitcoin and dropping into where gold. The reason why gold is that's why gold was able to skyrocket like this. And this is just over the weeks to show you that gold hasn't really been doing anything after it last pump. It's just there. It's holding up strong. I'm not saying it's not going to go up, but I'm just saying, for now that people are sure about DXY and Bitcoin, I don't still see gold going up. Till when we have some uncertainty in the market where people are like, ah, no, this roller coaster is too much, man. I'm gonna go into gold. That's when you will see gold actually pump up to 3K or even 4K. So if you're with me on this, if you're watching this channel, let me know what you think below, okay? Let's check the daily time frame. Let's jump down to the daily time frame. Hold up. I forgot. I sometimes yeah. You see, it's just there. It's just staggering. It's just ranging, going up, going down. It's not doing much because why? People have a clear vision. People are not focusing on gold now. So if you are focusing on gold, unless you're a daily trader where you're trading 1 hour candlesticks and 1 hour time frames and 5 minutes, but this is not investors wise, okay? This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you right now is not the time to invest in gold, okay? Meme coins, uh, other things are going on, and that's why gold is staggering. So if you're asking yourself why isn't gold doing, I'm telling you the answers now. All right. So with that, I'm going to jump into Bitcoin, and then yeah, we'll touch down on cryptocurrencies. So unless you're trading gold for daily time frame, 5 minutes time frame, I wouldn't advise you to start buying because we might see a dip coming up for gold. Who knows? If the economy is so good, if everything is so good and meme coins, everything is so good, we might see people more leaving gold and going into cryptocurrencies more. And then you ask yourself, oh man, what is happening? And I'm here telling you what's going to happen, right? We might see this happen, this play out during meme coin season or during another bull run season, which is likely to take place. All right. Now let's look into Bitcoin. What has been happening to Bitcoin? Hold up. Yeah, Bitcoin. All right. One day. Let's do the 1 day. All right, so I've been looking at Bitcoin, and again, you see, Bitcoin is also staggering. All right, where Bitcoin has gotten to a point where it's a matter of will it deep or not, will it hold up, and it's actually trying its best to hold up between this level. Okay, although yeah, we did have that pump up. All right, we did have that pump up to 1.8, but I'm expecting probably it should clear up more at 110 or 111. But again, what's gonna happen next? If Bitcoin can keep holding like this and probably create a kind of like green, should I say greenish pump? I like coming up with different words. Sorry, guys. All right, if Bitcoin can come up with like some good spike for meme coin season, I think that would be a very good motivator. Okay, and that would be a sign to sell off. That will be a sign to sell off because by the time we start analyzing crypto, you'll know the reason why you have to sell Bitcoin to get into those ones because these are the ones that would move up. Do you understand? This is plain psychology. This is not just analysis. This is not just technicals. Okay, this is not, and I keep saying it. If Bitcoin was to drop now, um, the next place I believe Bitcoin is dropping is is the 71K level. It is the 71K level. I believe Bitcoin is going to drop to 71K. Although, yeah, the speculators are saying, oh, Bitcoin is going to 150 to 200. Remember, let's go to the monthly time frame. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Remember, guys, Bitcoin was here and everyone was saying 100, 100, 100, 100. When it got to 50, what did it do? It dropped. All right, it got to 50K, it dropped, and now it's getting to 100K. It is going to drop again. So you need to know that. Don't FOMO, don't draw right in. Don't go right in thinking, oh, it's going great and it's going hold, hold, hold. No, man, don't be liquidity. The last thing you want to do is be liquidity in 2025, bro. That's the last thing you want to do. So right now, again, I'm still saying it. I don't have a good insight on what's going to happen to Bitcoin. But what I do know is you should be ready for what's coming next. And it's not something that's going to be very good. Yes, we might have that green pump. Probably we might have 115. All right, but this we need Bitcoin to drop. We need Bitcoin to drop because any other pump here is abnormal. It's just hype. It's just hype to catch more people into liquidity. All right. So I don't trust anything I'm saying here. I don't believe anybody telling me, "Oh no, Bitcoin is going to 200." No, I do believe we're gonna drop soon. We're gonna drop one way or the other. What I do know is Dogecoin. Okay, that's what I do know, and that's what I am going to analyze for you guys now. Hold up. Yep, Dogecoin. All right, so I have been talking about Dogecoin, and I have been saying things like, "All right, Dogecoin, we got a DCA into it," and yes, I remember buying Dogecoin at this level. I did tell you we're gonna drop, but I'll still buy at this level, and I did tell you that we're gonna drop to this level. And you can see it's happening. We're getting ready, guys. This is another good time to buy in. If you're seeing this level here, this is another good time to buy in, guys. This is another good time to buy. You're buying some Doge, hold. I'm still expecting a drop to like 0.2, 0.236. I'm still expecting that drop, but it's not. It's okay, guys. It's okay. I did assume that January might be very red, and February, and then we should be expecting a very good pump from Doge by. Let me check the monthly time frame. We should be expecting a very good pump. You can see this. We should be expecting a very good pump. Um, hold up. Yeah, we should be expecting a very good pump. Probably by February or March. That's where. And if we going up, guys, we should see Doge going to like $1, $2, guys. The next pump that's coming in for Doge is $1 and 2. You mark my words, guys. You mark my words. That's the next pump coming. So if you're not holding Doge now, that it is a 0.3. I don't know when you'll be holding Doge. I don't know. If you're not holding Doge right now, that it's on 0.29 cents, 0.2, 0.3 cents, when are you going to buy some Doge? Do you want to start buying at $1 when you can buy here now? So if you're watching this video, get yourself some Dogecoin. All right, the next on my list is Veracity. I still find it hard to pronounce this, and I hope I'm pronouncing it well. Uh, Veracity. All right, hold up. Am I getting it correct? I need, yeah, not this one. This is the one I'm looking for. Okay, Veracity is another cryptocurrencies that I've been looking at, and um, a lot of people don't know much about this company, this crypto company, but it's actually good if you would catch on Veracity right now. We can see on the monthly time frame, it's close to a very strong resistance, and that is the only level that is, should I say, that is giving me so much fear in Veracity, because I do believe that there's a chance that we might, we might go down to this level. All right, but regardless, I still see a good side for Veracity to go up. If we go back to the one daily time frame, let's go back to our daily time frame. This is just the month I have been analyzing, and yep, I picked this angle here. Hold up. I picked this angle here saying Veracity was gonna drop down to this level here, and which it did. Let me make this a bit. Let me make this a bit broader. Which it did. All right. It did drop, although it didn't really get to the level it was expected. And then what's happening? It's going back up. So I'm expecting probably a good retracement to this level again. It should retest this level, but DCing and buying Veracity at this level is also a very good thing, guys. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency to buy in, you don't have, like, maybe you just have $5 and you're like, I want to forget it. Veracity is one that you should hold. The technicals are looking plain and it's looking very good, and there's a good chance that it would move alongside the bull season. Okay, so if you're looking for a meme coin, I mean, you're looking for a cryptocurrency to hold, Versus is one of them. You should have it in your list, okay? And lastly, the next on the list is SUI. I got a friend sent me some box of SUI, bro. I'm holding that shit. SUI, where is that? SUI USDT. USDT, guys. I hope the video is not taking long. Yeah, let me use Binance. They give us. I'm a Nigerian. We hate Binance. So hold up. Uh, oh, so there's the SUI chart here. Okay, there's my daily time frame, and SUI is actually sitting at 4.3. All right, 4.3, and uh, I'm expecting that we should see SUI actually do well. And if you're holding SUI, or SUI, or I don't know how you guys pronounce it, there it's I call $10. I'm calling $10 on SUI. It's an amazing project. People call it the second Solana. People call it the next big thing. But it's amazing. If you're holding this project, hold it well. Okay, SUI started off great, and I keep saying, let me go to 1 month. I keep saying this. You have a token that is look at this chart. Okay, this is $10. I'm calling $10 here. I know what I'm calling $10. All right, but first, the last time I talked about SUI, I told you guys that look at this. We have the first pump, the first coming in, the first birds, right? Most cryptocurrencies, once they come up like this, what do? They crash back to the end and they start again. SUI retained half. That is to say that half of the money or half of liquidity or whatever you want to call it is still in SUI. We're talking about amounts of since 2023, bro. Since January 2023. I mean May 2023. That's what we're talking about. So you have this, and you're telling me, nah, SUI is just gonna be. It's not just a hype, okay? It's not just a hype. It has. I don't want to just put it has a vision there, bro. Again, yeah, cryptocurrency is unstable. You can't be sure, but this call and SUI is not just going to stop at $10. I mean, we might get to $10. We will get to $10, and then probably stagger down back to 5 or 4. But just put yourself out there. Stop stopping yourself from um, getting into this market because you think, oh, it's gonna end, it's gonna crash, is this gonna happen? No, many things happen. Okay, we take risks. That's why you're a trader and that's why you're an investor. Okay, but my realistic call for SUI is $10. I know a lot of people are saying 20, 15, but my realistic call is $10. I would see probably this year we would see SUI hit the $10. All right. The next on the list and the last is XRP. XRP, somebody, if you are holding XRP, let me know down in the comment section, guys. If you're holding XRP, I yeah, look at this. There's a beautiful chart. Someone say beautiful, guys. This is a beautiful chart. This is the monthly time frame, and I did this analysis that we might drop over to 1.3, which I was expecting. We only dropped down to like 1.7. I was expecting 1.3. That is because I'm like, I want to get in. I set a limit here that if XRP drop below this, we would, get up. I mean, like, I would get in. Bro, it hasn't gotten there, and I'm hoping this is not like a technical analysis kind of thing. I'm just like, in case, in case something happens, something bad, I'll be buying in here. But let's forget this. Let me delete this. All right, this is not part of what I was saying today. Okay, 1 day. Yep. All right. So if you've been following me, I did tell you guys that we were not going to shoot up immediately, and we were gonna drop to like around this level, and that's what has been happening. That's what's been happening. All right. Now the next, I'm really into seeing XRP do well because I've been talking about it. I've been speaking about it. Shall I even say preaching? I've been preaching about it as well. And XRP has gotten to a point where it's no longer hiding in the shadows. There. It's there where everybody's like, yeah, we're expecting something good from this man. Expecting good. We're expecting something good from this nigga. You feel me? So while we're expecting this, we need to know how are you preparing. XRP is going to do well, and XRP is going to $20, guys. It is, but first we have to get to five. We're gonna get to five, guys. So if you invest in XRP now, or you wanna jump right in, you jump right. You had a chance around here. You had a chance around here. If you didn't take the chance around here, I don't know if you will take any chance. Okay, because I did tell you we're gonna drop off, and then we can DCA into this, but to this level. So if you're not actually um, in XRP, this is still the best time to get in. All right. So I'll wrap up this video now saying um, I'm not telling you what to buy, although I am, but do your own research. All right, do your own research and let me know what you think. Let me know what you let me know what you're saying. Let me know what you think about which currency. And if you're investing in any currency that I have never spoken about, let me know down in the comments. Just tell me, hey, Apex Trader, I want you to talk about this tokens for me or do an analysis on this token. Okay, and in my next video, I will do analysis on the token. And don't forget to join the Telegram channel below. And if you want to reach me, I am no longer on WhatsApp. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg, for kicking me off WhatsApp. I am no longer on WhatsApp. You can only find me on Discord and you can send me a mail. All right. I'll leave my Discord in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys. Have a nice one.